All right, so we're going to generate a bunch of blog posts here, the outlines of blog posts, the categories of a whole different thing here. Let's just check this out. This is for WordPress sites. This is the Wealth Affiliate Business Hub. We're just going to go in here, hit continue. And with a new site or an existing site, I already have an existing site. You can build a new site right here with the AI tools as well. And with the free starter membership, you do get one free website, so you can check that out. There'll be links down in the video description below for that. I have an existing website here, and plus I've made some other videos about building the website. And let's go in here, do an existing site. We're going to choose that one, and we're going to choose my own niche here. This is going to be about music production, but you could choose anything that you want, any kind of niche that you got. But we'll just do music production because that's what my site is going to be about here. Brand name. This is more so if you don't have a website already, but we're going to put that in here. Congratulations, your business hub is ready. So here's what we got going on in here. This is going to implement an optimal website layout for your niche, access suggestive topics and pages to publish, access niche blogs and suggestions, access the site creation AI writer platform, create and manage your entire business from your business hub, create and manage more business hubs and other niches. So let's go here. So this creating this, and by the way, you also get these free 8 trainings here when you sign up for the free membership. There's 8 classes here laying your groundwork for your business. You can check those out as well. We have some milestone stuff here as well. I already have articles on this website, so this is not a brand new site. Structure and organization, and then we got all these different categories for your website: home recording, music production software, music theory, sound design, music mixing, music mastering, beat making, and so on and so forth. And then we have all these different potential posts that we got over here for every category. When you sign up for the free account, you're going to get 1 category and a couple, I think it's 4 or 5 blog post potentials just to test it out for yourself. And by the way, when you sign up, there's no credit card needed. It's a free account, and you can upgrade, of course, which is recommended. And you get more stuff. And then down here we have the My Writing tasks, and we have all to do done, and we have About Me page, which it gives you a little thing here to write about yourself, for your About Me page, your privacy policy, affiliate disclosure. These are good templates here just get started with. You just replace a few things with your site name and everything like that, and then we can add articles, and you can add the articles from up here, any of these different ones you want to write here, beat making, and all these different ideas. You just collect these onto your tasks. Recording vocals at home, techniques and tips. You can do some keyword research on these as well. Scroll down here, we have all these other things down here to do, or not to do, but content ideas and strategies. Just a real lot of them. Pain points, most common problems, and just a bunch of lists of stuff. And if you pop one of these open, we'll see here, best of topics, best music production software, top tier audio interfaces, recommended studio monitors, all things that would go into recording music and stuff like that, and producing music. So we can also add different categories down here as well. Artist spotlight, music business. We can just pop a category in there for ourselves. And then we go over here, and let's go into music production software. You could write an article about music beginner's guide to music production software, comparing DAWs, which music production software is right for you, exploring virtual instruments and music production. So let's pick that one. We'll put that into our task list. Then we have it down here, and then we can go write an article, and then we could quickly make an outline for this article. It's gonna be a blog post type of content here. The privacy policy stuff, and that will be pages. But these will be posts. Article topic, exploring virtual instruments and music production. And then we can add additional details here. And then we can choose how many words we want in our blog post. Let's say 5 sections. Make it 6, why not? And then we just instantly go here, and we create this whole outline for our blog posts. And with the free account, you're going to have to write the blog post yourself, but with the premium and premium plus accounts, you have the AI writer assistance in here, which is awesome. It's a brand new feature. And actually, I should say at the end of 2023 here, while I'm making this video, it's in beta. I have beta access because I'm a Premium Plus member. So if you're watching this in 2024, it's going to be available to you then. And here we go. We've got this whole content outline here for you. The digital revolution, embracing virtual instruments. And we can, again, add to this. We could take things out. You kind of want to make it, to your liking and to your, your voice, if you will. And then we have navigating the landscape of virtual instruments, the artistry behind virtual instruments, technical mastery, tips for optimizing your virtual instrument use. And then we have all these different things in here. Again, this would usually take hours to do, to research all this stuff, but we have it all right here. And we could add another section if we want to. And then we go here to author, and we're going to write article myself or use the credit article AI. Now, you do get a point balance every month to use this. And I'm not going to do this right now because I don't want to write this article this second. But I did a previous one when I did one on songwriting, and I'll show you that real quick. So here's where things come in even more further detail. So we got a professional copywriter and we got a conversational blogger. So the professional copywriter, known for straightforward and no-nonsense style, focusing on a first-person narrative, the voice characterized by precision, simplicity, and a strong focus on providing practical advice, making the article immersively readable and engaging. And then a conversational blogger approaches blogging to those writing resumes with a warm and engaging tone. First-person narrative blends expert knowledge with a relatable and conversational tone, making the complex subject. So, and then we can see sample articles here to make our decision. Again, this is the first time I'm looking at this, so I'm going to check this out for sure. So blog sample 1, and there's this whole article here. Blog sample 2. So let's see, exercise, increase your vertical jump for basketball. If you play basketball, it'll be blah, blah, jump, so it'll play blah, blah, blah. So you can read through these and check out what kind of style you want. See example articles for her. Truth about low carbs, weight loss. Now these are different niches, obviously, than the one I picked. I think I'm going to make mine conversational blogger here. And this is using ChatGPT as an assistant, but it's also doing it in a way that it's SEO friendly. And so you don't have to use your own prompts and stuff like that. They did all this stuff on the back end here. You know what? Let's just do the professional copywriter. So now it's going to write me my article. And while it's doing that, success, your article is being created now. Estimated time, 15 minutes. Your professional, okay, you know what? Let me just have this do this. Okay, so success, your article is being created now. Your personalized content is currently in the making, tailored to your unique writing or choose the style of the AI author you selected. Ensures the article will resonate with your specific needs and audience. Once its process is complete, your new article will automatically appear in your content list. Feel free to either wait on this page for the article to be finalized or navigate away and return later, whichever suits your needs. Okay, so I could go back here and create another article, and I'm just going to wait. Obviously, I'm going to fast forward the video. Oh, there we are. Wow, that wasn't even 15 minutes. That was a little bit of time. So now we have this article written here, and it even has the H2, H1 highlighting parts in here, breaking down. Now this is where I come in and I edit it, and do some of my own research, make sure it's up and up with what I want to communicate to my audience. So that's a very lengthy article here. Word count of 2,524. And I'm going to save it as a draft, but when I'm ready to publish it, I can either publish it and then go to my website and then add the photos and stuff there. But you can add photos here and stuff like this, images and all that fun stuff. Let's see here. Music AI. You got some free images in here, or you could generate your own with other AI tools, I guess. So we got all these different images here. We could either use music and, you know, spice it up. We could do AI, just in general AI stuff. This is from Pixabay. These are free copyright images to use. So I'm not going to sit here and read this whole article for you, but I will put a link down in the video description below to it. And I'm also going to do my own editing. I got to read through it, and I'll get back to you in this video. All right, so instantly I'm back here. I did read the article. There's some really cool stuff in it. I'm very happy with it. My mistake, I should have put some additional information in the beginning when I first started it. Different services I wanted to mention. I will do that next time. This is my first time using it. It did give me a bunch of recommendations for AI products and stuff like that. Some I've never heard of, so that's really cool too. Now I'm learning as well. And I'm going to do some editing of this article. I'm going to post it on my website. And then from there, I could link other posts on my website back to this one. I could link this web post to other posts as well. It'll rank in Google and stuff with all the techniques that you learned with Inside Wealthy Affiliate here. And then get some organic traffic. You can make some videos about it and get videos or traffic that way. And then Wealthy Affiliate will teach you how to, you know, make the money and stuff from your websites if you're not familiar with that stuff already. If you are, great. But anyways, that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.